You trying to cover up the chicken, Ginger? Hey? Hey? You trying to help the chicken? What a good girl. What a good girl. Hey, what a good girl. What is? Oh, you know you're loved. Oh, you're all wet still. You go lie down with your chicken. She has to stay in for the night. Oh, what was that? Was that a piece of dirt? Hey, what a good girl. What a good girl. Yeah. If she has to stay in for the night, you want to go in the basement with her? I don't think your brother and sister will be as good with her. Hey? Nice of you to try to cover up your chicken. Were you trying to cover up your chicken? What a girl. Hey? Alright, come on. Come lie down with your chicken. Yeah. Go lie down with your chicken. Go lie down with your chicken. What a good girl. You are the bestest girl. Oh, go sleep. You have a nap with your chicken. What a good girl. All right. All right. You go lie down with your chicken. She's getting better. Yeah, she's getting better. I'm so blessed to have you, Ginger. What a good girl.